Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm stir-frying fish fillet with pickled chili. So let's get started. Let's review the ingredients here. I have a Swai fish fillet, and this is a type of a catfish. It has a very mild flavor. Have ginger, celery, red bell pepper, yellow onion, cornstarch slurry, chicken broth, seasoning salt mix, white pepper, Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, and this is the pickled chili, and I like to use the Godmother brand. And for the prep, let's start off with the fish fillet. We'll cut it at an angle in about maybe 1-inch sections. You don't want it too thin or else it'll disintegrate when you're cooking. Okay, so let's give this a quick marinade. Start with a little bit of seasoning salt, white pepper, sesame oil, and the Shaoxing wine. Give this a good mix. Okay, set this aside and let it marinate for about 10 minutes. I'll wash up and we can continue on with the rest of the prep. Okay, next let's slice the ginger. We'll cut the onion in half and cut into a medium chunk. Same with the bell pepper. For celery, we'll cut it into like little batons. And I like to use the leaves. Okay, so all the prep is done. Let's wait another 5 minutes or so for the fish to finish marinating and we can start cooking. Okay, I have my pan set at a medium-high heat. We'll add a generous amount of oil. And we'll cook the fish first. You want to just let it sear on one side for about 30 seconds. And we'll cook this until it changes color. For about a minute. And you can see a lot of the moisture has evaporated. So let's remove this from the pan. Okay, give the pan a quick wash and rinse. Let's dry it out. We'll add some oil. And we'll put in the ginger and onion. Toss it for about 30 seconds. Then we'll add the rest of the ingredients, celery and the red bell pepper. Add a bit of the seasoning salt mix. this for about 30 seconds. We'll add some white pepper, sesame oil, and some of the pickled chili. And a splash of Shaoxing wine. Okay, next, we'll return the fish. We'll add the chicken stock. Let this come up to a quick boil. And we'll thicken the sauce with the cornstarch slurry. And this looks good. And this is done. Turn off the heat. Let's serve this. Okay, let's plate this. Oh, this is good. And here we have a wonderful plate of stir-fried fish fillet with pickled chili. The pickled chili adds a nice amount of heat and tang to this dish, and you can feel the spiciness in the back of your tongue. Give this a try. I think you'll like it. Enjoy! Okay, let's see if Shadow likes it. No worries, guys. I washed off the chili peppers. Oh, she likes fish. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Good girl.